I didn't always know I would love insurance, but once I started learning about it, I realized how powerful and rewarding this industry can be. Insurance is not just about policies, it's about providing security, peace of mind, and a real solution to people when they need it most. As an insurance professional, I've seen firsthand how this field changes people's lives. Whether it's protecting homes, businesses, their health, or future stability, insurance plays a vital role in keeping people secure. The best part is, you get to be the person who makes the difference in their lives. Make an impact. Help people protect what matters most in their lives. Career opportunities. Explore a field with endless possibilities and job security. If you're curious about what a career in insurance could mean for you, our internship program is the perfect way to explore this exciting industry, develop valuable skills, and kickstart with your professional journey. Check out the details below. We'd love to have you on board.